Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be doing a muffin lab from culinary today. So we are going to be doing another recipe given by my culinary teacher. So we are going to get straight into this video, and basically I'll just be doing the muffin recipe. So let's go. Alright guys, so first off with the muffin recipe, get yourself some all-purpose flour, and you want to measure out 2 cups of flour, and we are going to sift it. So go ahead and take a heaping scoop, get yourself a palette knife or something flat, and level it out. And this is the most accurate way you are going to measure out your flour. As you can see, we are sifting out all the little lumps in the flour, and just keep on repeating the process for both cups. Alright, after sifting out your flour, go ahead and get 2/3 cups of granulated sugar. I'm using some from Costco, and be sure to take a heaping scoop and level it off just like the flour, and sift out and get rid of all the lumps as possible. Once you can't sift any more sugar out, just go ahead and dump it in, because that means you just removed all the lumps. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other 1/3 cup, and be sure to level it off as well, and look at how leveled it is. Just repeat the same process, and we will measure out our baking soda next. Alright, after we're done doing the sugar, just go ahead and measure out 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and go take a heaping scoop and level it off with the notch at the top. Just go ahead and sift out all the lumps just like the other stuff, and look at all those lumps we are getting rid of. After you are done sifting out your baking powder, go ahead and get a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and go ahead and level it off like so. After all your ingredients are in there that are dry, just go ahead and give it a quick stir until combined. Alright, after we're done measuring our dry ingredients, we are going to measure out our liquid ingredients now. So go ahead and measure out 2/3 cups of whole milk. And when you are pouring this out, make sure your eyes are level with the cup, because this will provide the most accurate measurements. Just go ahead and add it into a small bowl. And we are also going to need 1 room temperature egg cracked right in, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other flavoring you would like. After that, just go ahead and get a whisk, and just go ahead and beat it and combine it, and add in 1/2 cup of any kind of fat you have. So I'm using 1/2 cup of melted butter, but you could use lard, shortening, or coconut oil, or anything you prefer. Alright, now it is time to combine our liquid and dry ingredients together. So just go ahead and do it half at a time, and be sure to fold it like so, and do not over fold it, or else it will make tunnels in our muffin. So go ahead and just mix it until the flour is gone, and you want to make sure the batter is a little bit lumpy, because that is normal. So go ahead and just keep on mixing it. And we are doing a blueberry muffin, so I washed 1.5 cups of blueberries before this, and I'm just gonna add it right into the batter after the flour. So go ahead and add in some of your blueberries, and make sure they are washed, and we are gonna fold this in as well. Alright, after you are done folding in your blueberries, you are going to want to line cupcake pans with 12 cupcake liners, because this is a recipe for 12. So go ahead and use a portion scooper and portion it out evenly. Alright, once you're done portioning out your muffins, go ahead and preheat your oven from 320 to 425. And we're doing 425 for 10 minutes first, but I cranked it down to 390 in the middle because it kind of burnt. So we still have 1.5 minutes left. I'm just gonna add 5.5 minutes to it, and it should be done right after. Just go ahead and make sure you turn it midway, and so the oven cooks it evenly. So as you can see, one side is more brown than the other. That is why we are turning it. So go ahead and just add it for another 5.5 minutes or so and check if it's done with a toothpick. And now let's taste test. Here is our final product. Look at our nice blueberry muffin. As you can see, we got the blueberries there. Now let's give it a taste test. All right. Perfect sweetness. The blueberry adds a nice flavor, and it's overall a very nice muffin. So that is it for the day. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like, and be sure to come back for more videos. Bye.